Make a great choice today with the 2019 MKC. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, Sirius XM radio. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.